Good morning, and students. I hope you all are well. So, students, before starting our chapter, we have to follow the rules of SMS. So, what is the SMS? Now, first of all, wash your hands regularly with the soap and the water, and then wear a mask when you go outside, and maintain 2 meter distance from one person to another person. Student, I hope you all are following the rules of SMS. Now students, today we will continue our chapter 4, that is working with Windows. So now in today we will learn about in this class the deleting a file and folder, the storing file and folder, and the updates on the Windows 10. So now let's start our topic. So student, first of all we have to know about that the how to delete a file and folder on your Windows 7. So you delete an unwanted file or folder, you have to follow these steps. So before we have to follow this step, you know that there are two methods how to delete your file and folder on your Windows 7. So the first method is select the file and folder that you want to delete it. First of all you have to select your file and folder. आपको वो file और folder select करना होगा जिससे आपको delete करना है. Then on toolbar, click on the organize button. You have to see in the picture on the toolbar, this is a toolbar, and you have to click the organize button. Then select the delete option in the drop down menu. So student, you have to click the organize button. You can see in the picture the shortcut menu will appear on your screen. So now you have to select the delete option on the drop down menu and then you have to click it. Then the second method is select the file and folder and press the delete key on the keyboard. Then you have to, in the second method you have to select your file and folder if you want to delete it. जिस भी फाइल को आपको delete करना है, first of all you select it and then you have to press delete key on your keyboard. आपको delete key press करना है अपने keyboard से. Then after pressing the delete key, a confirmation box open on the screen. This is a confirmation box and then this is the open on your screen. So students, you have to press the delete key on the keyboard, so the confirmation box will be appear on your screen like this. This is a delete folder. It means it will be confirmed that you have to move your folder or file to recycle bin. So student, you have to click on the yes option to confirm it. Here you can see in the picture the yes and no two option will be appear on your screen. Then if you have to confirm your file will be deleted, your file will be moved to the recycle bin, then you have to press the yes button. So your file will be deleted. Now see the practical how to delete a file and folder. So students, you have to delete a file or folder, then you have to follow the given steps to delete a file or a folder. So step 1, right click on the file or the folder that you want to delete it. Then the second step, click on the delete from the menu. The shortcut menu will appear. The selected file or folder will be deleted. Now you have to delete. You can also delete a file or a folder by dragging it to the recycle bin. You have to drag and then your file will be deleted. Select the file or folder and then press the delete key on the keyboard then your file will be deleted. We'll also delete the file and folder. In this way, we have to delete. So now, in the info box and recycle bin is the folder that contain all the deleted file and the folder. So what is the recycle bin? The recycle bin is a folder. Recycle bin एक folder है जो आपकी deleted file या folders को store करता है, जहाँ पे आपकी deleted file and folder store होती हैं. Then अगर आपको कभी उस deleted file की need होगी तो you have to restore the file and folder in the recycle bin. So it may know that the file have not been permanently removed on the from the computer. It means जब आपकी file remove होती है आपके किसी डिस्क से या किसी फोल्डर से, तो वो जाके आपकी रिसाइकल बिन में सेव हो जाती है, क्यों? बिकॉज वो परमानेंटली आपके कंप्यूटर से डिलीट नहीं होती है जब तक आप रिसाइकल बिन से डिलीट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो वो आपके उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस से तो डिलीट हो जाती है बट रिसाइकल बिन में सेव्ड रहती है. सो नाउ कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट इज प्रेस शिफ्ट प्लस डिलीट to permanently delete a file and folder. So this is the shortcut key if you want to your file and folder permanently delete on your window, on your folder or on your disk. You have to press shift key and then delete key. शिफ्ट की को प्रेस करके आप डिलीट की को प्रेस करेंगे, देन फिर आप उस पर डिलीट की आपसे पूछेगा, देन योर फाइल विल बी डिलीटेड परमानेंटली ऑन योर कंप्यूटर. आपके कंप्यूटर से वो फाइल परमानेंटली डिलीट हो जाएगी. सो स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस नो अबाउट द हाउ टू रिस्टोरिंग अ फाइल एंड फोल्डर्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो अबाउट द व्हाट इज द रिस्टोरिंग फाइल एंड फोल्डर. So a deleted file and folder can be restored, which means it can be brought back to its original location from the recycle bin. It means अगर हम किसी deleted file या folder को अपने recycle bin से restore करना चाहें, it means हम उस file या folder को उसकी original location पे वापस restore कर सकते हैं अपने recycle bin से. Okay? Now let's see the how to restore the deleted file and folder. So you have to restore your file and folder, deleted file and folder. You have to follow these steps. So first step is on the desktop you have to double click on the recycle bin icon to open it. It means आपके desktop पे recycle bin का option होता है, then you have to double click on it. double click आप उस पर करेंगे, then your recycle bin icon will be open it and then select the file and folder to be restored. आपको वो file या folder select करना है जिसे आपको restore करना है. then click on the restore this item button on the toolbar. आपने उस file या folder को select किया अपने recycle bin पे, then आपको क्या करना है, restore this item ऑप्शन पे आपको क्लिक करना है. then your file be restored on the original location. आपकी उस original location पे जहाँ से आपने उसे delete किया था वो उस location पे वापस restore हो जाएगी. okay, this is the first method of how to restore a file and folder. and then the second method is right click on the selected file and folder. you have to right click द सेलेक्टेड फाइल एंड फोल्डर. आपको उस फाइल या फोल्डर को जिसको रिस्टोर करना है उस पर राइट क्लिक करना है सेलेक्ट करके, देन सेलेक्ट द रिस्टोर ऑप्शन. रिस्टोर ऑप्शन को सेलेक्ट करना है द शॉर्टकट मेन्यू पे. ये शॉर्टकट मेन्यू यहाँ से आपको रिस्टोर ऑप्शन को सेलेक्ट करना है, देन क्लिक इट. योर फाइल विल बी रिस्टोर ऑन द ओरिजिनल लोकेशन. अपनी खुद की ओरिजिनल लोकेशन पे वो फाइल रिस्टोर हो जाएगी. सो दिस इज अ सेकेंड मेथड हाउ टू रिस्टोर. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट, लेट्स सी the practical how to restore your file and folder on your recycle bin. okay, from your recycle bin. so now student, let's see the how to storing a file or folder. so students, you have to follow the given steps to the store the files or the folder. First of all, you have to follow the step 1. On the desktop, open the recycle bin. By double clicking, you have to double click on the recycle bin. Your recycle bin will be open. Then second step, in the recycle bin, select that particular file or folder which you wish to restore. उस particular folder or file को select करिए जिसे आपको restore करना है. Then right click on that the file or folder and click on the restore option. Then this is a restore option, you have to click it and then your file will be restored. Or the second method is, on the toolbar, choose the restore this item option. Yes, you have to choose it and then the file will be restored back at its previous location. Students, now in this way we have to restore our file and folder from the recycle bin. Okay. Now student, let's see that the updates on the Windows 10. So अभी हमने Windows 7 के बारे में पढ़ा कि Windows 7 में कैसे फाइल को रिस्टोर करते हैं. And then now we have to learn about the how to restore the file and folder in Windows 10. So first of all, to store a deleted file and folder from recycle bin, follow this step. There are two methods. So first of all, the first method is right click on the selected file and folder. You have to right click on the selected folder. You have to select any file and folder like this and then you have to right click on the selected file and folder. Then select the restore option like this. In the shortcut menu, आपको shortcut menu से restore option select करना है. Then your file will be restored on your original location. Now the second method is, you have to select the file and folder to be restored. आपको जो भी file and folder restore करना है, then you have to select it and click on the manage tab in the ribbon. This is a manage tab. Then you have to click it, and after clicking the manage tab, you have to see the store the selected item button. You have to click it. Then to store all the items in the recycle bin, आपके सारे item recycle bin से store हो जाएंगे. And you have to click it. आपका वो file और item restore हो गया आपके desktop पे. Then to restore all the items in the recycle bin, अगर आपको सारे items को recycle bin से store करना है, then you have to click it store all item buttons. Now your all file and folders will be stored in the original location. Now your all files and folder will be restored. Okay, so this is a method of the how to restore file and folders from the recycle bin on Windows 10. Now students, thank you and have a nice day. I hope all of you understood today's topic. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for listening and watching video.